Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Swapnali for those of you all who don't know, and on this channel I love creating content around skincare, makeup, making skincare, all of that. I also teach how to make skincare products, so if that is something you might be interested in, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, so go check that out guys. Really good classes. Also today I have done a makeup. I have a makeup look on currently, and I will be filming this for you all. It's a very simple makeup look, so you know, if you have like just basically 3 colors, you all can get this, and it's very simple, very nice, like on Indian skin tone. I think it looks really good. Anyways, I'll be showing you that in a different video because I have been filming quite a bit lately, so I will share that with you all. But in today's video, I want to share with you guys 5 skincare hacks that you absolutely need to know and start using ASAP. Number 1 is using a sheet mask for hydration. These are the sheet masks that you get in market, starting from 150 bucks. But I'll tell you what, you can get this on Amazon for basically just $1.99, and you get at least 50 pieces. All you have to do is just take a glass of rose water, put this sheet mask in that, it will just swell up. Open it, apply that on your face and let that sit for half an hour, even 40 minutes if you want. Take a small nap, and when you peel the face mask off, and obviously you have to throw it out, but your skin is so hydrated. Rose water is so hydrating. You can actually also add in some aloe vera gel into the rose water, mix that, put your sheet mask in that, and then apply. It is so hydrating, something that is so cheap to make as well. So definitely something you have to try it out, and I'm gonna leave links of rose water, aloe vera gel and the sheet mask in the description box, so go check that out. Number 2 is using your castor sugar and Vaseline together, using that as a lip scrub. Now I for one have very dry lips, like I always have dry lips. I end up peeling them, extremely bad habit. I'm trying to work on it, but yeah, I do have really dry and chapped lips. So here's what I do: just take half a teaspoon of Vaseline and take around 1 teaspoon of castor sugar, make a mixture and apply that paste on your lips and scrub your lips. Just wipe it off with a tissue paper, make sure all the sugar is gone, and go to sleep with that. In the morning when you wake up, you will see your lips are feeling so soft. You can also add a layer of Vaseline on top and then go to bed, but guys, trust me, there's nothing like Vaseline on this planet. It's just something that people have been using for the longest time, but now that, you know, new lip balms and all are coming in the market, we are forgetting our good old petroleum jelly, and it works so well. So definitely try this hack out if you have dry or chapped lips. Number 3 is double cleansing. I'm sure you all must have heard this. Let me tell you what this is. Double cleansing is basically using 2 different types of cleansers on your face to remove the dirt on your face. The first cleanser that you have to use is an oil-based cleanser, something like this. I'm gonna leave a few links of oil-based cleansers in the description box. Go check them out. But use an oil-based cleanser, so whatever dirt is there on your face, that will go away with, you know, oil or something that is oil soluble. All that dust, makeup, all of that goes away with the first cleanser. And you follow your oil-based cleanser with a normal foaming cleanser, and whatever dust particles are there, which are water soluble, they'll go away with that. So double cleansing works so well, especially if you have makeup, if you love applying makeup like I do, or even it could be mascara, kajal, lipstick, even the smallest thing. If you are applying makeup, make sure that you're doing you are doing double cleansing. It will make your skin so much better, and your skin will just end up glowing with this one small change. Guys, try this out. Number 4 would be a facial massage. I know it is so overrated, but I personally I end up getting puffy eyes, and you know, when you have to go to events and stuff like that, or just outing with your friends, you don't want to go with puffy eyes. So here's what you have to do: just start from here and just massage, just like I have makeup, so I'm not going to do exactly, but all you have to do is you just have to lightly, gently press your skin like that all the way till your this part, just till your eyebrow ends, and just keep doing that for some time. You can also use something like kumkumadi oil, so this, you know, this massage gets easier. Even with your 2 fingers or 1 finger, just, you know, massage it in this way, right? Not this way, just like in this direction, and you will see the puffiness of your eyes just goes away. And that's the first thing. And the second thing that works so well to open your eyes up in the morning, just close your eyes, take 3 fingers and place them over here, and with your eyes closed and your fingers like that, look upwards. Okay, so just keep looking upwards, like 1, 2, but with your eyes closed, and you will feel there's a pull that's happening in your eyes. And trust me, that is what removes the puffiness. These 2 things, try them out tomorrow and let me know how it works. Or if it's morning right now and you're watching this, try it right now and let me know in the comments how this facial massage is working out for you, because it works out amazingly for me. Number 5 is using a vitamin C face cream as a night cream. Applying vitamin C is something that you need to do every single night. Vitamin C gives a beautiful glow to your skin. While you can apply this in the morning as well, vitamin C is photosensitive, meaning if there's too much of heat or direct sunlight, vitamin C can decompose and you will not see the benefits or results of vitamin C. So what I do is I take a lot of cream, vitamin C face moisturizer, apply that on my face, rub it into my skin and go to sleep. And guys, when I wake up in the morning, my skin glows. And this is something I've been doing for like the past month, I would like to say. And every single morning when I wake up, no matter what day, even 2 days before my periods, my skin is glowing. So definitely something that you should try out. And guys, these are the 5 hacks I'm going to share with you in this video. Try them. Trust me, I have done that, and I have had a very long skincare journey, so I know what I'm talking about. Try these 5 skincare hacks. If you face any of these issues, if you have baggy eyes, if you have dull looking skin, tired looking skin, if you are having small breakouts, try the double cleansing method. I'm sure it's gonna work out for you guys. And let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of these 5 hacks. And if you have enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. It's really gonna help me, more people can see my video. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more skincare, DIY, that kind of content. I have a lot of previous videos as well for you guys to binge watch. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.